Yes guys, you heard it right. This video has no intro. Straight onto a fish. Oh no, I lost it. Yep, fish. Small pink. Lots of them here, but yep, small pinky. Oh, skippy. Man, that's a large skippy. First fish. So I lost 2 big pulls, yeah, and big marks. Ito, here. Drop on that thing. Why being so fuzzy? Yeah, vision. Skippy? Probably another skippy. Oh, there's more down here. What is this? Oh, pinky. Got a net. What am I not using it? Oop, yeah. Probably a size pinky. Perfect eating size one. Bro, there's another big dog below. I wonder, man, look at that mark. Jeez. Let's mark that where he was. Man, every time I go here it's mayhem. This is my first. That's the first fish. He's going. Want a bigger one, please. This is how you lose a bite time. Hopefully I can still find that big fish. Don't want that sounder. Hopefully they're sticking around. Oh, yeah, he's down here. Just drop a bait real quick on them. And wait for that. The light rig onto there. And now we're fishing. Ah, not small ones. And that was the big dude I was talking about. He's back and he's underneath me. It's either a massive school of bait fish or a big fish. Can only be one. Solid. Yeah. On. Fish on. Not big. Bro, I got a snook. My uncles will love it, hey. Let's take this guy in. Oh yeah. Fish on. Oh, this one is a bit decent. Yeah. Nah, snelled. Oh. No, I think I lost the fish. Oh no, it's still here. Stay there a little bit, brother. I'm trying to sort my demersal. Come on. So I'm running a 15-pound leader, 15-pound line right now, and I'm trying to skull drag this fish. He's 9 meters deep. Let's try and drag him quickly. What is this? I'm calling a pinky. Oh yeah. Now, yeah, his hook pretty good. A few of them around here, just waiting for the big one to start biting. So I don't think this is the size, but that was a good run for a light tackle. I think that's our fourth fish. He's going back. Bye. Now I'm running out of bait, mate. They're down below me. No, I can't believe it. What just happened? Damn! Man, I was gonna play with it because I've got like a few things to test today, but yeah, rod is gone. Got another rig here, guys. It's called Boromik Junior. Look at that, sounder is lit up, so I need to get going. Hey, while setting up, I'm throwing it on the drift line. Right, let's just wait for that. Hopefully I don't lose that rod as well. I'll be crying if I lose that rod. So let's unbox. Oh no, this is this is 80 grams. Anyway, yeah, there's a bit of current in here, so I think this is fine. So what do we do with this? I haven't really watched any video of this, but let's figure it out together. It's getting a little bit expensive today. So I've got another Vex Junior here. Guys, we're now in drought. And then look at these, man. Are they teasing me? There you go. Oh no, did I get baited again? My last bait. Wish me luck. I think I need to change tactic here, guys. I should let the fish run with it and let it swallow. So that's the new plan. Yeah, the idea came out a little bit late, but this is our last bait. See what happens to this. Wish me luck. Where's the fish? Give me a pinky, please. A size one would be nice. It's getting late and I haven't got my dinner sorted. Yeah, there's a good. Is that a good one? Yeah, that's a good one, eh? So I'll drop on him. So they're playing next to the reef. Probably feeding now. I'm not sure. But yeah, that last bait is for him. Come on, biggie, biggie, biggie. There we go. There we go. Come on. I hope that. Yes, it wasn't set properly. Now, gone. He's gone. I ran out of bait. I got no more bait. What am I doing with my life? Actually, I've got a few squids here. I can try this. But yeah, that's another good fish that's lost. Probably a good pinky. But it's not the end of the world, guys. I still got some mark here. Strap on them. That was my last mealy. And now we're switched to squid. Come on, get down there real fast. Oh no, another bloody pickers. Could bait it again. Oh no, there's a fish on it. Yeah, what's this? A pink. Not the size what we want, but there's a big one down below. Hurry, 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 hurry. Get out. I think I found them, they're here. Come on, get down real quick, please. And get me a big one. No, smoke. Can't get past the pickers, eh? So, bit of summary of what's going on today. I lost two good fish. First and second drop, I lost my combo. Are you big? No, wait. Chat again later. Oh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, I lost the good one. Jeez. Far out. Here's the very last bait I have. I'm not gonna drop it randomly, just like I used to do earlier, dropping it to a disturbing mark. So we're just gonna wait for it. Let's give it a one. No, I don't know. We will see. Oh, a bit of something going on here. Let's have a look. Look at that. 6 meters. Let's drop a bait. On, fish on. Look what I got. This will be my PB, boys. Variety, no big fish, but variety of good fish. Look at this flatty, bro. Yee-hoo! Happy with that. Definitely size flatty, crocodile flatty, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but he's coming home with me. I think I'm partly here to blame, guys. I think it's my fault though, because I might have spooked all the fish that's swimming around when I dropped the first one. So my bad. But what do you do? Have you had that experience before, guys? I don't know, let me know, because I'm a bit puzzled right now. So I dropped two good fish, first and second drop, and after that it went downhill real fast. It's supposed to be a good bite because it was an incoming tide, and the moon phase is good, so I don't know, you can't really predict. Hey, they're just there for reference, so can't really rely on that, or I might just stuff it up real bad. Let's wrap it up here, guys. Nice and early. We're gonna drive home really early, clean this fish up, have a rest. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next episode.